Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set or change the video resolution for your video generations on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is navigate to Adobe Firefly and to the video generation tool. You may use one of your already created videos or start with a new project here in Adobe Firefly. What you need to do, guys, is either way, no matter which option you go with, you will need to expand the general settings here under the generate tab. And here below you'll see the video creation model. You will see also the aspect ratio, and here between them you will see the video resolution, which is set to 540p for me, but you may on default, but you may switch to 720p, 1080, and then use your prompt here at the bottom and click into generate to let the video creator or generator in Adobe Firefly create your video clip with that resolution here based on your prompt. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.